I don't think she ever got treatment. जब तक मूलचंद ने figure out किया, उन्होंने transfer कर दिया. जब तक राजीव गांधी में शुरू हुआ, condition started deteriorating. And at 12 in the midnight, last when we spoke to the doctors, they said she's stable, her BP is fine, her heart is fine, so everything's looking up. It was at 12 in the night. 2:30 we got a call that she's passed away. So the closest hospital to our house is Mulchand. So we quickly took her there. And there the doctors said that we'll have to keep her first in the isolation ward because she'll have to go through a test. But looks like she could have had a heart attack. But they did not confirm that because they weren't touching her or none of the doctors were kind of reaching out to her. She was put in the isolation ward and they said the treatment will only begin after we do a COVID test. So for 2 days she was in Mulchand with zero treatment and with reports that she has had a cardiac arrest. And 2 days later, we learned that she had COVID. Some doctors said that, there could be chances that she got it from the hospital. And Mulchand just gave up and they said, Viket, she needs to leave the hospital immediately. And a heart patient, and you have already said that she could have had a heart attack. They said, we cannot keep her because we don't have a quarantine facility and we don't have COVID specialists. We need to get rid of her. It took us almost 10 to 12 hours for the ambulance to arrive, for her to move to another hospital. RML was full, GB Pant was full, Max was not ready to take her because they said COVID plus heart, we are not taking chances. By the time transfer hoga, there could be chances that she passes away or anything. We only had a choice of moving her to Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality because they agreed to take her on. By the time the transfer happened, 10 hours later, they moved her. For a day, Rajiv Gandhi doctors were figuring out, okay, what's the process, what had happened to her. वो इतना research करते 3 days gone into without, treating her for COVID or for heart. And by 4th day, of course, she started kind of getting weak with no medicines. She stopped eating and it was very mismanaged. Like it could be a super specialty hospital. I'm sure doctors are under stress and there's a lot happening, but they weren't letting the family members in. And because they're wearing these PP kits, they're unable to hear the patients when they're walking around. So when my grandmother was like, excuse me, pani milega, they could not hear them at all. So she used to call me to call them, to tell them that, can she have water and can she have food? No fruits given in government hospital, no juices. It was very difficult. If she's not eaten, unka side table pe khana pada hua hai, they will take it after 2 hours. Khana waisa ka waise hi hai. I said, she has a heart problem. Please understand. I understand she's COVID and you have to be careful. If you're not letting us in, and if you are wearing PP kit, you'll have to look after her. You cannot just let her be. And I think people are losing hope only on this basis. So many patients, maybe 60 plus, who are getting admitted, are losing hope because this is being treated like छुआ-छूत, हवा बना दिया इसका. We overheard doctors saying that, younger के लिए ज़्यादा focus करने को बोला गया है. We have been given that heads up. Like 70 plus है तो ठीक है, थोड़ा ढीलापन चल सकता है. So there are a lot of things now coming up. We were speaking to other families also who have COVID patients and they were like, oxygen cylinders रात में हटा देते हैं because there is lack of equipment की वजह से. So if there's a younger patient who's come and who's suffering from the same issue and their lack of oxygen cylinders or drips or anything, they're moving it to the younger lot for a couple of hours and then, ensuring कि ठीक है, that's the priorities. I don't know what could have led to her death because if she was given the right treatment and maybe if Mulchand had the facility to kind of, take her in and not transfer her, the whole transferring business for a 70-year-old who has had a heart condition. So we don't even know what could be the, what was the reason why she passed away. Was it COVID? Was it heart? Was it something else? Because it took such a long time for her to kind of get treated because I don't think she ever got treated. जब तक मूलचंद ने फिगर आउट किया, उन्होंने ट्रांसफर कर दिया. जब तक राजीव गांधी में शुरू हुआ, कंडीशन स्टार्टेड deteriorating. And at 12 in the midnight, last when we spoke to the doctors, they said she's stable, her BP is fine, her heart is fine, so everything's looking up. It was at 12 in the night. 2:30 we got a call that she's passed away. So how do you explain that? Like within 2 hours, she's eaten her dinner. So we don't even know if she had dinner. Was her BP normal? Was her heart? Because we couldn't reach out to her. So what happened after 9 p.m. is something we can only believe the doctor because we didn't have the patient talking to us directly. So I will just say that whoever is getting admitted, please ensure the patient has a smartphone. You can reach out to that patient. You have to meet the doctor yourself. Don't do it through phone because you really don't know what they're telling you. They're dealing with some 15 to 20 patients in a day, and I think doctors are also switching between hospitals. Younger lot को अगर fix भी कर रहे हैं, like if they are curing these people, तो उनको एक checklist भी हो रहा है ना, that see we cured 15 people who were 30-year-olds and one 75-year-old. So that is how mortality rate भी check हो रहा है. Because they prefer people, they want to, उनका भी एक checklist आता होगा, how many people have you recovered in a Rajiv Gandhi or a Moolchand. So they prefer curing 15 younger lot than 175 investing in her, because that will just be like one person. But I think that should be the focus, because, or maybe all lives matter, like they're saying right now, you know, it shouldn't be anything else.